It arrived on a Tuesday morning, a cinematic legend, forgotten for 30 years.
The owner has held on to this car since the late 80s. Seeing it like this, it breaks his heart.
First contact, 30 years of mud, gone in a second. Every bump of the truck shakes off another layer of history. Every bump of the truck shakes off another layer of history.
Look at that bubbling. The rust is eating the metal from the inside out.
The silhouette is unmistakable. The 1989 classic. The interior is a disaster. Mold, rot, and decay. It looks hopeless now. But watch what happens next. Shining a light into the darkness. It smells like old, damp carpet.
The canopy is seized shut. We need to force it gently.
I told him we can save it. It won't be ease, but we'll do it.
The exhaust system is completely shot, rusted through. All the gadgets are dead. We'll have to rewire everything.
This isn't just a car, it's a piece of art. We have to be careful.
The list of repairs is getting longer by the minute.
He remembers the day he bought it. He wants that feeling back. In the shop, the damage looks even worse under the bright lights.
This is the most satisfying part. Watching the gray turn back to black.
Rinsing it down, you can start to see the car underneath. Gently scrubbing. We don't want to damage what's left of the paint. The brake dust is reacting. Look at that purple runoff.
Snow foam to loosen the grime. It looks like a ghost car.
Finally, seeing through the glass again. Every little crack and crevice gets attention. No shortcuts. Clay bar treatment. Pulling out contaminants embedded in the surface. Clean, but the damage is now fully visible. Inside, the vacuum is working overtime. Dust from the 1990s. Steam cleaning the vents to kill the bacteria and mold.
Melting the grease away with high-pressure steam.
The engine bay is covered in 30 years of oil and grease.
Seats out. We need to get to the metal floor.
Drying her off. She's clean, but she's far from done.
Disassembling the turbine. Every bolt is rusted tight.
Cutting out the cancer. Bad metal has to go.
Carefully removing the taillights. You can't buy replacements for these.
Grinding down to bare metal. We have to kill the rust.
Welding in fresh steel. making the structure solid again.
Smoothing out the welds. It has to be seamless.
Hand sanding. This takes patience, hours of it.
Applying body filler to the dents. Sculpting the body back to perfection.
Blocking it out, we want laser straight lines.
Prep work is 90% of a good paint job.
Protecting the areas we aren't painting.
The body is prepped. It looks raw, but it's ready.
Mixing the primer, the foundation of the shine.
Wet sanding the primer. Smooth as glass before the color goes on.
She's all gray now. A blank canvas.
Laying down the first coat. Sealing the bodywork. Removing every speck of dust. Cleanliness is key.
Checking for imperfections. We can't miss a single spot.
Into the paint booth. The transformation happens here. Suit up. It's time to bring the darkness back.
Midnight black, the only color for this machine. Midnight black, the only color for this machine.
Covering the gray. The black eats up the light.
Look at that reflection. Like a mirror.
Watching the paint lay down. Smooth and even.
Base coat is done. She's black again, but matte.
Now for the magic. Clear coat. And there it is. That wet, deep shine.
Baking the paint. Locking in the finish. We aren't done. Time to cut and buff.
Removing the texture, we want liquid gloss. Wiping away the compound. Absolute perfection.
You can shave in that reflection.
Polishing the turbine. It needs to look like jet engine steel.
The water bead test. It just slides right off. Ceramic coating to protect this finish for the next 30 years. Getting into the tight spots. No detail left behind.
Sealing it in.
The body is done. It looks better than factory new.
New leather. Smells like a new car.
Custom yellow stitching. A subtle nod to the Batman logo.
Seats going back in. Comfortable and restored.
Upgrading the dash. Modern tech with a retro look.
Upgrading the dash. Modern tech with a retro look.
Fresh black carpet. Plush and clean.
The steering wheel. The command center.
New LED lights. Piercing the darkness.
New LED lights. Piercing the darkness.
Taillights are in. They look like glowing embers.
The center caps. It's all in the details. Fresh rubber, ready to hit the road.
Torquing them down. Safety first.
The canopy glass is invisible now.
Testing the slide. Perfect silence.
Installing the sliding mechanism. Smooth operation.
Chrome exhaust tips. Blinging in the light.
Adding the props. It wouldn't be the Batmobile without them. Assembly complete. Just look at her stats.
One last wipe down inside.
She's ready.
The keys are waiting. The owner is on his way. The big day. The door opens.
From a barn-find disaster to a museum masterpiece.
He's afraid to touch it. But it's real.
That smile. That's why we do this.
It's not just a car. It's a memory brought back to life.
Your keys, sir. She's all yours.
Back in the cockpit, where he belongs.
Listen to that roar! The beast is awake!
Systems online, ready for action. Back on the road where she belongs. Client happy. Job done.
Smooth, powerful, iconic. There is nothing else like this on the road.
He saved the car. And the car saved a piece of his history. He saved the car. And the car saved a piece of his history. He saved the car. And the car saved a piece of his history.
He saved the car. And the car saved a piece of his history.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next project.
Another legend restored. Thanks for watching.